Hello guys, how are you? Hopefully you are all fine and good. Lovely guys, first of all welcome to my YouTube channel, Home Decor Free Ideas. Today we start the topic outdoor pathway. When it comes to enhancing the overall appeal and functionality of your property, the addition of walkways and pathways can make a significant difference. These well-designed hardscape features not only provide easy navigation but also offer several other benefits that can transform your property into a more inviting and enjoyable space. Whether you have a sprawling garden, a modest backyard, or a commercial property, integrating walkways and pathways can greatly enhance aesthetic value and usability. Walkways and pathways serve as eye-catching elements that enhance the visual appeal of your property. By strategically placing these features, you can create a welcoming entrance or guide visitors to specific areas of your property. They add structure and character to overall landscape, making your property stand out in the neighborhood. Safety is a paramount, especially when it comes to the navigating outdoor spaces. Adding well-constructed walkways and pathways can significantly improve. Lovely viewers, wish you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.